Hello, welcome to the JSP Home Solutions YouTube channel. My name is Blake, and today I have been tasked with putting together a transitional kitchen in 2 minutes. Let's do it. With any kitchen, and you've probably heard me say this before, it always starts with the cabinetry, and it's no different for a transitional kitchen. So we're going to take a look at that right now. So follow me. When it comes to cabinetry for a transitional kitchen, it's going to be similar to that of a shaker or even a farmhouse kitchen. So we want simplicity, but we do want something a little bit different. And what I mean by that is, so you have your simple shaker cabinetry. You maybe even want to do a little bit of a variation, but that's not what we want for a transitional kitchen. We want something like this, which is our Lincoln door, which has a little bit of a wider bevel. However, I don't like this color, so I'm going to pull out the white as well. So the white in this style, but we also want to pull in blue. And I'm gonna pull out this blue here, and I'll tell you why a little bit later. Now, let's go pick out a backsplash and a countertop. For backsplash, it's gonna be very similar to the rustic kitchen, believe it or not. We wanna pull in some warm tones with our kitchen for a transitional kitchen, because remember, it's between traditional and modern. Right in the middle, so that's why we pull that in. So I go straight to this one. Not this color, but a very similar style and this shape. I'll tell you why later. So follow me over here. Now we're gonna pick out our countertop. For our countertop, if we are gonna have warm tones in our backsplash, we need warm tones in our countertop. I see the Elegance right here. I'm running out of time, let's go. I'm gonna walk super quick, make sure we get all this here. We got our countertop, our backsplash, and now I'm gonna pull out a faucet. There we go. Now let's talk about why I chose these options for a transitional kitchen. This door style is important because you want a little bit of a traditional feel in your transitional kitchen, but you don't want to go too far traditional and you don't want to go too far modern. That's why this door really fits in the middle, because it has a little bit more variation to it, but it does not have a raised panel like a traditional kitchen would have. At the same time though, it has a not as simple of a bevel as a modern kitchen would have. That's why we chose this door. However, we do not have this door in a white. So that color is not gonna work. So that's why we went with this color. So it'll be this color in this style. One option is a blue for the island. Get a little bit of a pop of a color, and it's really the only color that truly works in a transitional color kitchen for an island, for another color, and that's where we want to put it on the island. Now let's talk about the backsplash. The reason why we chose this one, this backsplash could work. I'd probably go something a little bit lighter, like maybe an atrium, something like that, which has a little bit of a lighter tone to it to have as a backsplash, because again, you want those warm colors for like a traditional kitchen. And then I would pick it with a 2x8 subway tile style. For the faucet, I would not go with chrome, but I would go with something simple like this. Just do it in a brushed nickel. Brushed nickel is key when it comes to a transitional kitchen. And last but not least, we want to pull in our warm tones, but at the same time our whites. That's why we went with the Elegance countertop to really pull everything together. And that is a transitional kitchen. Hopefully you got an idea on what a transitional kitchen would look like, and maybe it's right for your home. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, dream big, remodel smart.